Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying supplies and baseline prints. Check that bottles are genuine Epson and placed in the right tanks. Color swap causes wrong hues. Once filled to the indicated max, close covers and power cycle the printer so sensors reset. Then print a nozzle check pattern from the control panel. This shows which nozzles misfire. If nozzles are missing or streaked, proceed to targeted cleaning. Don't skip the pattern because it tells you the exact problem. Once the nozzle check indicates which color fails, run a single color cleaning for that channel from Epson software. You save ink and target the issue. If the problem persists, escalate to deep cleaning. You might need 2 cycles, but wait a few minutes between attempts to avoid overheating. After successful nozzle checks, perform printhead and paper feed alignment using the utility to remove banding and color shifts. Make sure to use plain paper for alignment. It's more accurate than photo paper. You finish by checking software and finalizing tests. Update or reinstall the Epson L3110 driver and set the correct ICC/profile in your print dialog. Software can remap colors incorrectly. Once done, print the same test image from 2 different apps to confirm it's not an application issue. If color is still wrong after power down reset of 6 minutes and all cleaning, the print head or sensor may be failing. Contact service or consider head replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.